Right, back again for some Welsh Cup action. We're at Leckwith for a Welsh Cup second qualifying round tie between Canton Liberals and Dinas Powys. Should be a good tie. Canton Liberals are in good form this year, winning both of their cup games so far. So let's see whether there'll be a match for the team from the league above in Dinas Powys. Canton Liberals are going to be in the very luminous kit. Dinas are in the white and red shorts. A bit of confusion. Right, we're underway.
So completely, it's in the Italian bits of Switzerland. So unlike the German bits, which is looking for
Oh!
Chris scored like a hat-trick. I've already seen a 7-5.
Oh!
I've already seen a 7-5. That's a good shot. That's a good shot.
Right, half time, and it's 0-0. I've got to be honest, it was eventless. That coupled with the fact that it is now very windy and anything that I say you won't be able to hear is why I've not really bothered speaking at all. So let's hope the second half is less, less eventless than the first. Right, we're back out for the second half. Let's hope for some goals.
biggest or the second biggest sport. Biggest or second biggest.
They played it a couple of years ago, Vigilant.
Yeah.
Vigilant, yeah, we played Celtic.
Oh. Christ. Oh, good challenge. Oh, good strike. That's about the first good strike on target all game. Oh.
A bit weird because you're trying to work out people who've got strong political affiliations on this.
Oh.
20 minutes.
Hit it. Oh. Oh. Finally. I don't really know what's gone on. I don't know whether he's given a free kick or whether he's given a goal. But that could be it. It's the last minute of the game. Well, I was gearing up for a penalty shootout. Oh. Oh. Oh! It's in! It's about the 95th minute of added time. It's 1-1. We are having a shootout after all. Right, well, that's full time. Penalty shootout incoming. Right. First penalty. Dinas Powys stepping up. Oh, he saved it. Superb save. Oh, another save. Right. Here we go. There we go. 1-0 Dinas Powys. Oh! He's put that well wide. 2 penalties each, still 1-0 to Dinas Powys. Two 2-0. Oh, he's missed as well. 3 penalties each, 2-0 to Dinas Powys.
I said 3-0.
Dinas score this to win.
3-0.
And so kick Vicky down the corner.
And in a very exciting end to a very, very, very boring game of football, Dinas Powys win on penalties.